be like that. Makancheremo. Mesi me kusi Boafo. Na me ha party no. President Inyimedi. Makachere president. Ogo kwa makachere no. Say the be yemfo mo court. Tisa metia no. And everybody is aware.
Some of our own.
Yes.
Should be prosecuted.
From now onwards. Maybe maybe so actually. It may not be good news. But I think it is a medicine to heal NPP. And you this in ever power. Kwasia na ada yewia oniema wo man kwasia fo e na bia pro na nkrofo wura mu wo na bia mpoma e na nkrofo wura mu na kwasia kromfo e be wura mu ewia oniema kromfo bia no wa prepare wo manu na agimi 101.3 WONTUMI radio oboda wo mu ntopro no wa woro no ho na ni nufu tuaso bede na obi mefe e merepo you don't have anything. Where me? Very simple. Where me? You the 2 years I won't say. Ukra resources. Want me and sustain no? Where me? The being way here we say when you to me no when you resources.
Account.
Here you for na do move. U failure where me on kwasi afo na nante. O me ntu fo, o me suro wo. O ya bone kura de ka kire wo. Na no me ba na me be hwe na me ka kire ma wutu be say you may change your modus operandi. Wa change. I thank you very much. So me yi skadi biem.
Yeah.
So me yi.
Yeah.
Me so onyi skata. O ska on na yere nkoka. Makenkan ene ma bi wa yani so e wa how say wo de ya wa damage control. Me ne convince me sa. Unum time e hunu politics. Ave me ba me mehu say e kan ska bia wa ha grata na guwa me ni asan grata na wo kan e san ba du tumi sika na odi aba dabi because e go do bi no odi awa dan iska you want to be yes what change it why complete and refine to me this is how I want you to behave. You'll be rewarded for listening to me. Yes,
wow,
definitely. So definitely he will be rewarded for near IMF.
No more than she say, yeah,
a more thing. Yes.
Yeah, what you never brought month for no
15% of Ghanaian workers will be laid off.
Wahama will pay Dunum. Ghana my for
very good.
She should be better say,
yes,
yes.
No, police, 50% will have to come home. Military, police, whatever, they may come home.
The consequences are going to be dire.
I'm telling Ghanaians the bitterest of truth today. We don't have the alternative. The alternatives are very few. The way forward is very dark without e-levy. It's soon Adrian as a nation. And we must do the bravest thing in life. Navigating between the charities and the cowardice. Between the deep blue sea and the devil. We must make a choice. Do we want Ghana or we don't want Ghana? Have we sold Ghana to IMF or the World Bank? Or our destiny is Yanfa Ghana and Koshe Don Dramani Mahamani and this inside. No more Fianco. We don't have an alternative. We are capable of redeeming ourselves. Every highway mo. Yam yaku dra yentimi. Ubetimi ahwe oba. Ubetimi ahwe ubibia. Ubetimi aye ubibia. This government the best programs ever since independence, you run out. Now your president, you the best ever since independence. Now dream with Jaho, fine, crofo woni mu die. Then so sebe bayere one friend rusuru no. Nejina ankwara abone to totaya e wo bayifu mu. once akwara bia no so duru by from a dia pagya no aye from no o sua tire to a ho no geji one COVID-19 ekogeji and o person try ntwetia na your political opponents they believe we say COVID-19 ya do ase ya bo power successful and all lazy, incompetent, the most incompetent of all opposition political parties. I shall say lazy or no boot.
Because
yes, including the very unpalatable coup making across. Yeah, one more biara. COVID-19 I'm a mebu. I'm a Sabia Cotiwia for you now. I sorry, say, Yamu Benin.
It's the Boafo.
I'm a major. A henny jack, my man, jack. I'm a mabebu. Ubi a pie. Sabi. Ubia, sorry, but test it. Never my way. Yes, to the another bear, Mewuko Joe Tower. Yeah, motive of flashy cars and the whole year communication time. NPP is completely appalling for the past few years when it comes to communication. Yeah, boom of wabem. Her party, Uber sustain to Abama. About 80% of your core supporters must garnish momentum. And the NPP, 80% of our core supporters know they sustain power no way. It is down to 49%. If election is held today, I smell ghost scent on NPP. And yet, me say yet, let us do what is right. Communication yet. And one walk or table dodo pie bra yansa jamu achichidiati no 129 no timi nante. NDC has a field day. Where so NDC na person NDC power power. It would have been the easiest. Yes, it would have been the easiest.
Wow.
Yes. They don't need to do anything. MPP for akwajo sam any je ni person min kuminya abema MDC aba power. They don't need to do anything. Internal wrangling. Yeah, cut off form. Yes, will be say what the adwane. Now no because sutifi no many other because for nyina I got to Kumasi around be say and I do better. Chairman B akwatan chairman the form adwane any 18 penno. Yes, so I took prunum. Who born dog? My catcher party they say we shall not sit down for idiots to send the party to opposition. Political idiots. We MPP so what? My fault. What can you do? Me say form, and I'm telling Chama WONTUMI today, but be all check form. Offense ma me kusi Boafo. Na me nkotena ho. Na me hwe say, why na enya bi? I am back.
Yeah.
Only form kura ye cha, me no meche.
Yeah.
Hwe pani trafie ma seduamfo. Yes, you got your form in say form new hop. Now we be pick here Machiavelli tactics. Caribbean, or more bound in the bush and four near more budget bribe and the one in some never drew one other die. So some four and some four.
A4 sheet. Yentimina enough. And Chamobia.
What? Mr. Mebeke, I'm coming to share the forms. NPP near all Bema, Uncle James said to see Boafo me, I want. Tell me today, so my mention. And let me hear from you. Me say, baby, I hear coach, mete, I must be present. Baby, I must say, horse here, yeah, form no, or almost one preno. And 19 Mabaha, baby, just form nephew, now some myself, I want you to tell everybody today. Say, Kwaha koche, me kotra one makoche. Now the old bear my uncle to Prumun one I say, or the aquashe, Naira Demet Maira. What bottom, Sabi, what bottom? You might be crazy. Share any o. Munimuti, eba. You don't know what is coming. Say me na be di chairman na betwa konko bi meeting na me teacher forms bi me di atetokro bim na oba na ma dwe ho na me di amount hello for my chairman wo he ton na phone na dum sabe o boda mu o kwasia no zonzio so otwati kwasia no zonzio so otwati hwe me mama no zonzio Mia me kope handkerchief di apepa. The pepa na esa so ma pa usum so ye party. Some sabere no majimi sa. Yari ekum papa, ekum nana. Ebekum wan tu
sit down. Na ekum.
Yari ekum me wafa do wo rensa wi. What you say? Da we rensa me nua no rensa wi. Me ma chese me no nsa ni bida. Me nim se bekum me. Ni asiate wada we chairman hwanda we kuku fam you do it ye nyimi yo we are not idiots amu de mbati mi ajimi but I am not going